Best dog sunglasses. If you want best dog sunglasses, so you are in the right place. It's fun to go outside time with your dog. But have you thought to protect their eyes against the powerful rays of the sun? It's true. Sunglasses are not just for humans. They are also perfect for keeping safe and comfortable in the eyes of your dog when it's nice outside. But of course, sunglasses made for people are not the best option for dogs. This is why many parents of animals choose to buy dog sunglasses to protect the eyes of their dog. We reviewed dozens of dog sunglasses to identify the best of the best. Based on factors such as quality, accessibility, functionality and comments Amazon, we then proceeded our search for 5 of the first-order dog sunglasses that parents can buy animals. You will get the best dog sunglasses on this site. Best dog sunglasses you can check out below. Our first product is about this item size. Total length 8 cm. Lens diameter 2.8 cm. Glasses leg length 7 cm material. AC lens plus metal frame. Lightweight and durable. Cool design. Stylish round lenses. Ultra-thin frames and bright colors will make your pet more attractive. Our second product is about this item one size. Frame width 8.3 cm. 3.26 inches. Lens diameter 3.2 cm. 1.25 inches. Point 2 Your pets will looks fashion and become more and more handsome than others in the dog's world. Point 3 Suit for small dogs, cats, puppy, rabbits, such as teddy, poodle, chihuahua, Bichon Frise, short hair, Balinese, etc. Our third product is Pet Lezoa Dog Goggles Stylish Doggy Puppy Sunglasses Windproof, white. See more product details. Our fourth product is about this item size. Adjustable head and chin straps. Back strap 3.23 inches to 6.69 inches. Chin strap 3.74 inches to 7.48 inches. Suitable for small and medium pet. Well designed. The frame of the glasses are special with foam pad. It helps your dogs feel more good. Adjustable double strap. The belt is adjustable and the nose bridge folds to allow it to shape well to any dog's face. That is a plus. Our fifth product is superb material. The lens is made of high-quality polycarbonate, which can filter and reduce UV 400, infrared and visible light intensity. Protect your pet's eyes from snow, UV, wind, dust and fog. Adjustable strap. The strap use cotton high elasticity elastic band. Adjustable elastic cord fit for different head shapes which can let your pets wear the sunglasses in comfortable and firm manner. Good protection for outdoor activities. The dog goggles will be a good protection aids for your pet if you want to do some outdoor activities with your pets such as skiing, climbing and swimming etc. Sponge pad inside. Sponge is padded around the lenses. High-density sponge has a great breathable effect and thermal performance, perfectly alleviating eye strain or the pressure from the shaft, and the dog is not uncomfortable to wear normally.